Welcome back to Math 109 Plain Trigonometry. In today's series of videos, we're going to take a look at solving some trigonometric equations. So the first one we're going to look at is sine theta tangent theta is equal to sine theta. And for all of these, we're only going to be looking for solutions where 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 360 degrees. Or I'm sorry, not less than or equal to 360 degrees, strictly less than. Now, first thing I want to caution you on with this problem is we look at this and it's immediately tempting to divide both sides of the equation by sine theta. The problem with that is that's only okay if sine theta isn't 0, which we can't guarantee right off the bat. So we don't want to do that. Instead, what we're going to do here is subtract sine theta from both sides. So we have sine theta tangent theta minus sine theta is equal to 0. So we can now go ahead and factor this equation. Both terms have a factor of sine theta in them. We get tangent of theta minus 1 left over when we factor that out. And now, under the zero factor property, we can set both of those factors equal to 0. So we have sine theta is equal to 0, or tangent of theta minus 1 is equal to 0. The sine of theta is equal to 0 when theta is equal to 0 degrees, or theta is equal to 180 degrees. Now, with the tangent of theta minus 1 equal to 0, we first want to add 1 to both sides. And then we know that the tangent is positive in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. We also know that our reference angle here has to be 45 degrees because we know the tangent of theta is 1. So that tells us that theta is either the angle with reference angle 45 degrees in the first quadrant, which is 45 degrees, or in the third quadrant, which is 180 plus 45 degrees. So we have or theta is equal to 225 degrees. So that's one example of trigonometric equations. As we continue this series of videos, we're going to take a look at some more complicated approaches to solving these equations.